In this video, I'll show you how to buy Bitcoin on MoonPay using your card or local payment method. First, open your browser or app and go to the official MoonPay website or a partner app that uses MoonPay as a payment gateway. If you're using it for the first time, you'll need to create an account with your email, then confirm the verification code sent to you. In many regions, MoonPay will also ask you to complete KYC verification by submitting your ID and basic personal details. Once your account is ready, choose Buy Crypto and select Bitcoin, BTC from the list of coins. Next, pick the fiat currency you want to pay with, like USD or EUR, and enter how much you want to spend. MoonPay will automatically show you the estimated amount of BTC, the fees, and the exchange rate. Now, you need to enter the Bitcoin wallet address where you want to receive your BTC. This should be an address from your own wallet or exchange account. Copy it carefully and paste it into MoonPay. Double-check that it's a BTC address, not another coin. Finally, choose your payment method such as bank card or local payment option, enter your details, and confirm the purchase. After the payment is processed, MoonPay will send the Bitcoin directly to the wallet address you provided. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.